Good morning. It's a lovely morning in Vancouver. I'm heading out right now to see something very special. Thanks, Ralph. Let's make our way to the bus stop. There it is. Wonderful mountain view of Vancouver. I can never get tired of that. Never get tired of that. So here we are. Here we are. And here's the bus stop. And oh look, something's pulling up. It is a BC Transit T40LF.
What's up?
And here we are. We have a charter. Hey there.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, how are you?
Not bad. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Yeah. This is a bus or? No. This is a private charter.
This is a private charter. Look at this. So you managed to get this out.
I managed to get this out, man.
Awesome, man. This is the moment I've been waiting for. This ex-BC Transit T40LF. Oh, look at this. This is the surprise I want to show you. Bought just in time.
How you doing, man? Yeah.
Oh man, this bus looks mint. Like, look at this. Everything's all clean.
Yeah.
Dude.
All to us, man.
Yeah, it's all for us. Oh, yeah, look at this.
Now the fun part's starting.
This is the fun part right here.
Getting onto the highway.
So, Elfren, how'd you manage to do this?
Wheeling and dealing.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I've contacted the head of TRAMS if I can charter this bus.
Right.
And they approved it, so really happy to have this bus out. So.
How much does this cost you to rent the whole charter?
Well, it costs a lot. I'm not gonna say it over the video, but it costs a lot. But it's definitely worth it.
It's worth it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like I would say, keeping the whole bus to ourselves. Something like this would require a whole group of people to actively pay, like individually, to make up for the whole charter. But you able to managing this yourself for a whole bus? That's insane.
It is. It's crazy to think that, wow, I actually chartered a bus. It's actually my first time chartering.
Oh, okay.
And if it weren't for TRAMS, we wouldn't be making this charter happen.
Right, so big, give a big shout out to TRAMS for making this possible, guys. Alright, let's enjoy the bus ride.
Alright. Older ones than this one.
So guys, welcome aboard the 1995 New Flyer T40LF. As you can see here,
TRAMS buses from the 1960s.
you got the sliding windows.
1950s.
Oh yeah, that's classic. This is very nostalgic. Look at this. This is like days of the fish bowls. This days like the fish bowls were in service.
The dogs like it. Or hate it. Not sure yet.
Must have loved it. So did this used to be owned by BC Transit?
It did, yeah. I think it was originally in service in Burnaby, if I remember correctly.
Right. It was never a part of TransLink fleet, was it?
It might have been. The problem is my dates are confused. I can't get the dates right. I can't remember where TransLink took over, but I know this was originally what ran in Burnaby in '95, and I can't remember when TransLink took over.
Right.
I think it was '99 or something, '98.
Yeah. TRAMS does have a lot of buses and back in the glory days in its fleet, eh?
Oh yeah. We've got, I think it's 20, I think 15 or 20.
15, 20? You guys have the GM old looks and new looks in there.
Yes, yeah. The GM old look we have is our museum bus, and the new looks we've got two different ones. We've got a 1981 and the really old 1964 version of it with the BC Hydro colors.
And have the old looks ever been brought out for charter service?
The old look, I don't think they use it anymore for charters, the 64 one, and the other one is in in our storage facility. For now, I think it just needs a little bit of maintenance before you can ride the high line, I guess.
Right.
I might be driving a transit bus, but I'm not one of you guys, unfortunately. Maybe one day.
Yeah.
Maybe one day. One day, transit will be like, there's that awesome bus driver going around the corners at 95.
Right.
You guys in heaven or what?
Oh yeah. No, I miss these a lot.
Me too.
Yeah. Like we had them in Toronto,
Yeah.
D4011, and they retired in 2014.
Oh, so they were on. Well, I guess ours technically have around long. Well, it's still sub in transit, but I think it's just the Cummins versions.
Yeah. Like you guys still have like D4011s. Like we don't have any like the classic new flyers anymore.
No.
Time to get on the on ramp.
There you go.
Let's see what she's made of. Those screaming axles, I've missed that a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, we're climbing up on Cypress Bowl Road up here, going up to Cypress Mountain. We got immersion. There's construction here as usual.
I wouldn't be surprised actually in the next 20 years they have so many houses up here they eventually have a bus service going up Grouse Mountain, or Cypress Bowl, I should say.
Is that what they're doing? They're making houses here?
Yeah. Well, when I was a kid, this was all forest.
Forest.
Yeah.
It looks like it still is. And now it's just a lot of construction.
Look here, right?
Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that view. Look at all the ships too.
Where's Jason? Is he in one of these houses? He's in one of the houses on the mountain.
There's Vancouver and the Lionsgate Bridge. You can see it. Alright, we are here at Cypress Provincial Park. Look at this bus right here. He is excited. Oh, that's excellent photo opportunity. Look at this. Oh, we even look better on this angle too. That's a good angle for a photo right there. So, you're gonna need your own car to get up here. But, if we got the car, we got our own bus to get up here. And it seems like we're the only ones here. So that's a good thing, at least there's not a whole lot of people. You don't want a whole lot of people around you when you want whole space to yourself. This is it right here. This is officially Vancouver Outlook, or commonly known as Dave Barrett's view. And and this guy is foaming the view right here.
Yes, sir.
I know, I would be too. Man, I'm loving this. this place. I can never get tired of it. I'm enjoying this view so far.
It's amazing.
It certainly is.
Oh my goodness.
Don't experience this in Toronto, do you?
Yeah, we don't even have any mountains in Toronto, you know?
Yeah, no kidding.
The highest point in Toronto is like
The CN Tower.
York.
North York. If you talk about landscape,
Yeah.
not even that high up.
Wait, is he gonna leave it here?
No, I'm just gonna wait.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, that was Cypress Mountain Outlook. Now we're on our way to Horseshoe Bay. So stay tuned, guys. All right, we just got off the bus. We are finally here at Horseshoe Bay, and this looks like a very nice town to reside in. Very peaceful. Looks like a very, it's a town. It's by the ferry terminal as well. You know how they always say that it's a good place for the elderly to be residing in Vancouver? Well, I can see why. It makes sense, right? Let's cross the street. Look at this propeller. Let's see. Look at that. A field trip on a raft. And if we head down that way, we get to the Horseshoe Bay ferry terminal, which will sail you out to places that you need to cross the Pacific. Where do the ferries go?
These ferries go to the Nanaimo, Departure Bay. It also goes to Langdale out in Sunshine Coast.
Okay.
And the other one goes to Snug Cove or Bowen Island.
Right, okay. Been on this charter for about 4 hours now, and I'd say it's a good 4 hours worth. So right now we're just heading back to the depot now, get this bus returned to TRAMS, and sad to say that all things have to come to an end at one point. But hey, don't think about the sad stuff. Don't think that it's over. Just thank that that happened, and I'm thankful that this happened. And so do you.
Hey, what's up?
So yeah, thank you for taking us on a tour
Absolutely.
on this private charter.
Of course. I've been dying to have this as a charter for us, so I'm really happy it happened. Quite an adventure for today.
Yeah.
So really happy you guys have enjoyed this charter.
Great. So let's just enjoy the final hours of this charter while this bus heads back. And we'll see you there. So this is the famous Patterson incline. The bus is chugging along. The bus is chugging along.
That's right.
I think we're doing 30.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, we're approaching a red light.
no, there's a red light.
Oh, this is gonna
This
be
bus is
brutal.
rattling, man. Final stop, the final leg of this charter. It's coming to an end. It's been a fun ride with you guys.
It has been a fun adventure, yo.
Yeah. And I gotta thank you for that, eh?
Of course,
Yes.
of course.
Hey, next time, do another charter. Let's charter
Exactly.
another bus. See if we can charter a fishbowl for me.
I'll take that. I'll
Yeah.
take that.
Or when you come to Toronto, we'll think of something.
Oh,
We'll think of
surprise me. Surprise me.
Yeah, we'll definitely surprise you.
Awesome.
All right, here we are.
All right.
The bus is stopping here. This is it.
All right, and then we need to do our.
And we are here.
We're here. Let's do our seat.
Yep. All right, guys. So before the bus actually leaves, we're all gonna grab one more group photo before this bus leaves.
All right.
So let's go ahead and gather up. All right, everyone in position.
let you know.
Yep, absolutely.
Chris, yeah.
All right, thank you for taking us along for the charter.
Yep, you guys are very welcome.
Yes, thank you very much. It was an enjoyable experience.
Oh, thank you. Glad my driving wasn't that terrible.
It's smooth, regardless how jerky the bus might be. But you know.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you guys. You guys have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
I've actually got your name.
Anthony.
Anthony, alright.
Thank you, Anthony.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you, Anthony.
Thanks, guys.
Deal with our nonsense, you know?
You guys are the best passengers I've had so far.
Hey! That says a lot.
All right.
All right, let's go. Get a shot of it. Well, that was the TRAMS charter of the D40 LF, and thank you guys so much for watching this T2P Films vlog video. I hope you like it, comment, and subscribe below, as well as donating to buy me a coffee.
All right.
All right.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we continue exploring transit, Canada, and beyond.
Well said.
Peace.
Peace.